Well, hey there. Welcome to Espys Table. I'm your host, Michael Espinosa. This is our very first video for our new YouTube channel. I just wanted to share with you why we decided to create it. I wanted to create a channel that gives the novice in the kitchen step-by-step instructions on how to make very classic comfort food dishes out there that are simple yet complex at the same time. Dishes that will certainly surprise and impress the people you're cooking for. I've been in the kitchen for many years. Full disclosure, I'm not a trained chef. I'm not a professional chef. I don't get paid for this. However, I do love cooking and I consider myself an amateur chef. I often do dinner parties for 10, 20, 30 different people, and the consensus is always that the food is spectacular. So I wanted to take all this time, knowledge that I spent cooking for other people, and then share it with you, the viewer out there. So hopefully you can surprise that special person with a great home cooked meal as well. We're not gonna be doing anything crazy. These are all gonna be basic staple dishes out there that anybody can do in the comfort of their own home. You're not gonna need any special equipment. And again, like I said, I'm gonna show you step by step how to do each one. So hopefully by watching the video, you'll get something out of it that you'll be able to use and surprise somebody else out there. Actually, our first video is gonna be my guacamole recipe since Super Bowl is right around the corner. In California, 90% of the avocados that are produced in the US come from here. So I guess that's why we put avocado, guacamole on just about everything. So hopefully you'll view that, enjoy it, and let me know what you think about that one. Cheers, talk to you soon.